Hi guys, my name is Janice F. Manalaysay, grade 2 student of St. Nicholas Goldenfield Academy. Today we will measure and compare the length of objects in centimeters using tape measure. Now I have here a pencil and a notebook. So guys, look at this tape measure. This side is the inches. So we will use centimeters to get the measure of these two objects. Okay guys, the measure of the pencil is 19 centimeter. And the measure of the notebook is 20 centimeter. So they don't have the same measurement. The pencil is shorter than the notebook. You know guys, centimeters are used as a standard unit of measurement. Like for everyday measurement, centimeters are the practical unit for measuring the size of many small everyday objects like this pencil and notebook, while larger objects can be measured in meters. Centimeters are also commonly used, such as a person height. Like me, I am 115 centimeters. I am short. Okay guys, that's for now. I hope you learned and enjoy my video. Thank you guys. Bye.